Hello, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance, and we bring you hot public offerings and the all-important information about the listing companies. However, before investing in any shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and the operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the company sees fit. Let's look at some proposed IPO listings scheduled for the week. Serrama Metals owns the Serrama lead, silver and copper gold project. The project is located in Queensland and is approximately 190 kilometres east from Mount Isa and 70 kilometres southeast from Cloncurry. It's an emerging large base metal deposit in the world-class Carpentera province, which hosts several Tier 1 lead, zinc, silver mines and significant copper, cobalt and copper gold deposits. Serrama Metals has undertaken a $5.5 million public offering at 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 29th of April at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The purpose of the offer is to support an application to list the company on the ASX and to provide funds to implement the company's business model. Next up, Up Silica is a public silica exploration company focused on the future development of their silica sand tenements located across a number of exploration project locations in Western Australia. These project sites are located in the southwest, one is in the northeast near Wyndham, with a further 2 prospective project sites in the southern goldfields near Esperance. Silica is an essential commodity, especially for the manufacture of photovoltaic panels, also known as solar, and other vital industrial applications. Up Silica has undertaken a $5 million public offering at 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the ASX on the 2nd of May at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Well, now it's time for a very short break. I'll be back soon with more IPOs.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
Where the property market is headed next.
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly.
Apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the IPO Corner. Next IPO on the list is Serrama Resources. It's a West African gold explorer and developer focused on establishing a new mining district in Burkina Faso. Serrama owns 100% interest in the Senutura project, located approximately 350 kilometres southwest of Ouagadougou. The project area covers approximately 1,454 kilometres of prospective greenstone terrain. It hosts a growing resource including 2 major gold deposits and is Serrama's lead project, which is progressing towards development. Serrama Resources has undertaken an $8 million public offering at 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the ASX on the 2nd of May at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Next up is Solstice Minerals. The ultimate vision is to be a Western Australia mid-tier mining company generating superior returns for their shareholders while providing positive benefits for their stakeholders through exploration, acquisition, development and mining with a focus on gold and base metals. Solstice Minerals has undertaken a $12 million public offering at 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 2nd of May at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And lastly, we're taking a look at Sierra Nevada Gold. It's exploring a portfolio of 100% owned copper and gold projects in Nevada in the US with drill-ready assets. It has multiple targets across 5 separate projects in Nevada. The company works to build early resource potential and has already made 2 new discoveries a Tier 1 scale copper-gold porphyry system, and a bonanza-grade gold-silver polymetallic epithermal vein system. Sierra Nevada Gold has undertaken a $12.5 million public offering at 50 cents issue price. They're set to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 3rd of May at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The company has planned a detailed exploration program to execute across its project portfolio over the next 12 months, including 12,000 metres of drilling and geophysical programs. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but let me share this critical information first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and track record. Risk appetite level varies, and they should consider factors such as analyst view, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and a peers review before making an investment decision. It's also important to note the companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now on the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.